Now, when you come up with a cold tool, you're usually going to have a little bit of excess plastic laying around on the edges of it here. And get that cleaned off with a razor blade. Then you can also just have a dummy piece of wood that you just always rub onto the edge, and then you can get all the surfaces all cleaned off. You don't rub it with your hands. You're going to melt your skin. It's not going to work very good. Okay, so get this thing as clean as you can. Otherwise it leaves black debris when you start doing your welding. So this will be a whole disc. The rim will be, the flight plate will be on the bottom side. This is the skipping side as the disc flies here. Flip it over, and then it sits right into there, okay? It's going to nest tightly in there all the way around. The critical thing here is that how this piece was that we got cut. We got the straight edge here, and then we have that angled side of the cut, okay? The angled side is going to be going down towards the center, okay? So, get a little bit far away view here. Your hand can kind of fit right in here for holding this, okay? And then we can come in over here on the video. And this is a critical part here. You can kind of push this tool in as far as it goes. You're starting to put pressure up on the top here. You're kind of wiggling it sideways. You're getting full contact. And then you kind of give it a little wiggle, and then pull tightly away, and then push it back down, because there'll be that little bit of liquidy stuff that you can get back tight on it. After each and every single weld, you come and then you just do one simple wipe on either side. It works good to have a little shallow water bucket. Then you dip it in the water bucket, it chills it right away, and then you can separate here. It didn't get set up with water there. Okay, so once we get done with this one, it slides out that way, unclip it, and then it lines up right in here, okay? This one is a medium holder. This is where it bumps into, right into there. And you're all set up to do another weld. Make sure that that tipping side is down. The cut edge is on this right side. Get your tool in there. This is where you just got to get kind of a feel for how much time it takes. You're kind of watching at the edge there. You're sort of even tipping it a little bit this way to make sure it's making contact all the way across. Give it that little wiggle, pull it away tight, and push it back down tight. I'll just wait and clean that off before we come to the next one. Okay, I think we can maybe do 3 welds here. Oh, dang it, I miscalculated just a little bit on it here. Okay. Can you kind of see how it kind of came opaque, and then see how it comes all clear? With the clear, you know, it kind of tells you a little bit different when it's done. It's always good to get this extra plastic off as soon as you can, because otherwise it just starts to burn in place. So what I'm going to do here is, just for the sake of it, I'm going to try to estimate another weld, because I should have kept a half of a disc here. It's not going to work out very good. Okay, we can cut right now.
Sounds good.